All right, so yeah, the wires for the EGR valves. You can see, yep, that the bottom of that clip right there. So it's nice, you don't have to tear into this. What is this? Just a hard, or this, case here. You can just swap them out from the outside. So I think they're just easy twist offs. Yeah, there's that one. Of course, nothing's easy, but come on, baby. Got that one. Wow, tight. And then the other one down there, I'm gonna need 2 hands to get to that one, but then we'll put the new ones in, rewire back, and then install the EGRs.